So today we're going to make an origami wheel. So this origami wheel is super easy to make. All you need is one square sheet of paper. The origami wheel could also be used as a fish, dolphin, or other kinds of whales. This traditional origami wheel can be made to have a split tail, which can be attained by making a single cut at the end. This step is completely optional. So to start, you see me here making a square piece of paper. You can fold it over to that edge, nice and even. And then you see me fold the back excess piece of paper over just to make a nice straight line to cut on. I adjust it to make it nice and straight here. It wasn't quite straight the first time. And sorry about the setup, guys, the poor lighting and shaky camera. I'm working on getting that fixed, as well as a better area. Please bear with me. So here, I cut the excess piece of paper off and make a nice straight cut and have a nice square piece of paper. So for the first fold, you got to fold the right point over to the left. Then you want to unfold it, and you now have a center vertical crease. Now you want to fold the lower right and left diagonal edges to the center vertical crease, like you see me do right here. I'm folding the left diagonal edges to the center vertical crease, nice and even. This paper's a little stiff. Not the best paper I chose for folding this. Once you have it in like a kite shape like that, you want to flip the paper over to the other side and rotate it counterclockwise. You'll see me do that here in a minute, or a second. Now that I have my fold straight, flip it over, and we're going to rotate it that way. Then you want to take the right side and fold it to the left to meet that left point, right to the point. Nice and even, centered. Now that you have that like that, folded, the right point folded over to the left point, you want to flip the paper over to the other side, and you're going to want to fold the top and bottom diagonal edges inward to meet the horizontal middle. So fold the top edge over to meet the middle like that, nice and even. And you want to do the same with the other side. You want to fold that over, nice and even the same way. See, now you got that. Now you want to unfold those last two things you just folded. And then when you got them unfolded, you want to take that lower section there at the bottom, and you want to open the lower section kind of like a little pocket. You want to open it up like a little pocket. You want to pull the lower section down and over to the right and flatten it out. Just like that. Perfect. Just like that. Then you want to repeat the same process on the top part there. You want to take the top part there, open it up like a little pocket, and fold it out flat to the right. And I get a little confused here, so give me a minute here. So we need to take it, we need to open it up like this. Just like that. You need to open it up. You want to fold the front flaps to the left. Then you want to flip the paper over from top to bottom. Then you want to fold the left point to the central vertical crease. Then you're going to take and fold the bottom section up to the top, revealing the shape of a whale. So you want to take it and fold it in half, bottom to top. Bam! You got the shape of a whale starting. You want to fold both the whale's flippers to the right at an angle, and then you want to shape the tail by folding it up at an angle, kind of like you see me do in a minute. You can experiment with how you want the fins and or flippers angles to be, however you feels better looking. It also helps to hold them up, so keep that in mind. The tail here, you see me fold it. You can fold it up at an angle to make it look more like a whale's tail. And now, here's the tail. And fold this upwards. And then there you go. You got a whale. just like that. Now, optionally, this is optional. You can open it up and reverse the inside fold. You can reverse inside fold the tail, kind of reverse it and like fold it inwards as you fold it up. Yeah, like that. Yeah, just like that. And then you can fold the wheel back up as you do it. And then you got the traditional origami wheel, which is now complete. Use the flippers there to hold them up, so you can adjust them however you need to. Optionally, you can also open them back up and you can make a single cut with scissors, where I show you to do in a minute. And then you can fold it all back up and you can have a more dolphin or fish-like tail. So here I do it, unfold it, and you cut just down the center a bit, just like this. And then you can kind of fold it up, and then fold it back and curl it, kind of thing. And then you can take the other side and fold it. There you have a whale. Optionally, you can also color it in. Make it look more like a whale, give it a face, do whatever you think. Here I take some crayons and color mine in, make it look a little bit better, more like a whale kind of a color, you know what I mean? Sorry about that camera, shaky camera. Working on getting a better setup. Still new to all this at the moment. Let's take a blue, color it all in blue. I'll just do it real quick here. You take anything you want, pencil, crayons, whatever you want. I just had some crayons that were handy. Just color the whole thing in blue or whatever color you want, really. Fold it back up and color the outside. Make it look all nice and whale-like. I don't know about you guys, but I love sea creatures. They're quite interesting. So many different varieties, so many different types. So mysterious, things we don't even know yet. Always learning new things. Isn't that starting to look better? Better than that white piece of paper that I folded up? Looking more like a whale now. Just color this all in real nice. You don't have to add eyes, but sometimes it makes it look a little bit more realistic, maybe more friendly. Fix the folds here that I messed up while I was coloring everything in, making it look all pretty. Color some spots in that I kind of made thin. Make it look a little bit more pretty. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks. And there we go. We have a whale. All nice and colored in. All pretty like. I'm gonna add some little eyes here. Make it all nice and friendly looking. I think it looks a little nicer with a couple of eyes. Maybe I should have added a mouth, but a nice little smile.